In this video, I will show you how you can activate US Mobile eSIM. First of all, if you have purchased your particular plan and you have chosen eSIM for your network, so you need to activate it as well. Now to activate it, let's say you have purchased on your desktop, you will going to receive a specific QR code after the purchasing process that you just need to scan with your device. But if you are doing it on your mobile app like US Mobile app on your device, the process is pretty much direct. You just don't need any kind of instructions, as you just need to click on the install and you're good to go. But if you have purchased on your desktop, you need to scan the QR code. So simply head over to your device settings and then look for the option of eSIM. You can search for it or you can find it in your mobile network and then tap on it. Now tap on add eSIM. Make sure to click on next on the bottom right, and now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from US Mobile. And after scanning, make sure to click on the download on the bottom. And after downloading it successfully, you just need to make sure to enable it by clicking on the three dots and then tap on enable. And you have successfully enabled or activated your US Mobile eSIM on your device.